Hello guys, good day. I'm back again for another tutorial. This is HBT tutorial for your basic setup, installation, configuration for VICIdial and other open source application. Okay, so for today's tutorial guys, I will teach you on how to block the caller ID for the incoming. Okay, it means inbound caller ID of the spam caller. So most of the time when you have a inbound call and your DID or somebody trying to call you every day only and same message that one if late when agent answered that call on that DID, so you can definitely block that DID automatically. Okay, so just you need to configure your filters. Okay, so for today you need to have an administration access, so you need to log in here. Okay, so after you log in, you need to go to the filters, or no, you need to go to inbound. Okay, and then filter group, or this one, filter group, filter phone group, or FPG. Okay, so as you can see, we have no filter phone groups listing over here, so you need to add a filter group. Okay, so you can type any number or block inbound. Okay, you can copy if you want to paste. So all groups, all, it's okay, or you can select if you have other groups. So for the meantime we will set to all. Okay, and after that you need to set this one to your DID. Okay, show your DID. So this is our DID. Okay, okay, so this is our DID, so you need to click modify. Okay, so after that you need to configure here, you need to adjust over here. Okay, as you can see, filter number inbound, so this one filter inbound, so you can select your block inbound. Okay, and then DNC internal. Okay, block. Okay, that's all, then submit. So now you already activated, or you already configured the inbound. Okay, inbound filter blocking for this DID. So if you add your DID, or if you add the caller ID on the FPG, so once that DID called this number, it will not pass through to the VICIdial interface. It automatically block or hang up already. So we will try that later. Okay, so to add an DID on the filter groups or the filter phone group, so you need to go to the inbound again and then look the filter groups. Okay, so you have here, then click modify. No, you just go back. You need to go to the filter groups and then add and delete filter phone groups. Okay, so from here you can add your want to block the DID, like 206 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So this is the DID that I want to block. Okay, so you need to copy, and also first the 10 digit and also the 11 digit. Much better you add this 10 digit and 11 digit on the FPG. Okay, and then submit. Okay, so that will automatically block this caller ID when calling our DID 3233222059. Okay, it will auto block. Okay, okay, so we will try. I will open my 3CX phone. Okay, so this is my 3CX phone, and then I need to configure. So this is my DID I'm using right now. Okay, I just copy. Okay, cancelled. So for now, wait, I will put over there. So we will call the DID. Okay, so I will dial this number, and then reconnect my POTI, and then we need to check. Okay, let's clear this one. Okay, so if I dialed, let's check. Okay, so as you can see, the call was here already. Okay, so this is the call that I okay, so if I go here, check my reports, so this is my caller ID. Okay, okay, hang up. Okay, the calls is hung up already. Okay, and then we will block the caller ID now. We will try it. Okay, so go back here, filter phone groups. So I will add one, then enter. Okay, this is my, then submit. Okay, if I call again, let us see what will happen. Okay, let me double check or load dial plan or load. Okay, 6 will be reloaded. So it's still coming, so wait, we need to check that. We need to verify. So for that, okay, you need to verify. Okay, so here, and let me double check which campaign it is. This one under campaign, inbound call test. Let me double check the campaign and make sure you use this one. Yeah, I forgot. Let me check the campaign over here. So here, okay, so look for find DNC. You must have a DNC. Yeah, so DNC is enabled. Okay, let me double check the other campaign. So DNC must be enabled, both campaign. DNC. Okay, I need to enable this DNC. Submit. Okay, so let us check again. I think something wrong with the vicibox. Vicibox 11 is not blocking the inbound. As you can see over here, caller ID, this one called caller ID. Okay, so we'll double check our settings again. So we'll go to the filters, inbound, filter group. Okay, so add and delete the PG. Let me submit this one. Let me submit. We have a file. Yeah, as you can see, we have our number over here. Okay, yeah, 3 4. Yeah, it's there. Okay. Okay, so it's just there, and then we need to go to the DID again. Okay, in group. Okay, max ID, vacuum bound. Okay, yeah, black. Extend. Deploy placement. Yeah, since looks fine. I'm not sure again why that's happening. Still coming. Not, they did not go to the blocking stage. Okay, so I think some issue on our vicibox. So we will figure out this from our next video. For now, it's already, or I already teach you on how to block those inbound, but some issue happened on our settings, or possible some issue on other facility or settings. Okay, so I need to double check that. Okay, so once again, this is HBT tutorial for your basic setup, configuration, and installation for VICIdial and other open source applications. So thank you guys for your continuing following and watching my videos. Hope you can able to send some for our more projects and videos will come up. Okay, thank you guys and have a nice day. I will update this VICIdial today for the latest SBN, then we will try again the inbound call filter. Okay, thank you guys and have a nice day. Bye bye.